I was so excited when I got this message from Jen last night on Instagram. I had to get up early this morning, stop my regular scheduled video, and make this one for you for this huge announcement. Hey knotty friends, it's Erica from the Lopsided Crafter Loom Knitting, and today I've got some game-changing news that's going to have you grabbing your yarn and running for your loom. For the very first time ever, loom knitters are officially invited to join the Annual Pigskin Party Knit-Along hosted by Boston Jen of the Down Cellar Studio Podcast. So what's the Pigskin KAL all about? It's a knit, crochet, weaving, and spin along that runs all football season long from September 4th, 2025 through February 9th, 2026. While football fans cheer for touchdowns, we're cheering for yardage, finished objects, and a chance at some amazing prizes. In the past, knitters, crocheters, and spinners could all play along, but loom knitters were always left out. This year is history in the making. Loom knitters are officially on the roster. I actually reached out to Jen about loom knitting and asked if there was a way for us to be a part of the fun. She did some research, dug into the details, and made it happen. Thanks to that effort, loom knitters are officially recognized in the rules for Pigskin 25. That means our projects, our yardage, and our stitches count right alongside everyone else's. That's a big deal, friends. Loom knitting is knitting, and now it's being celebrated on one of the biggest stages in the fiber world. So here's a little bit about how to join and how it works. First, you'll need to register and get on the official roster. Registration opened on August 20th and closes January 31st. Once you're in, you'll be placed on a Ravelry team. Don't worry, there's no pressure. It just makes the big event feel a little more cozier. And then it's all about connecting. You can chat in the Ravelry threads, join Market Monday chatter, or share on Instagram with the hashtag DCS Pigskin Party 2025. Every finished project earns points, just like scoring in football. Touchdowns are 7 points. So for every 100 yards you finish, you get 7 points. Field goals are 3 for the extra yardage over 100. So say you have 207 yards, 2 touchdowns and 1 field goal, that's 17 points. Safety points are 2. And those are for those items that are between 50 and 99 yards. Anything under 50 doesn't count unless you group them together, say like 5 or 6 dishcloths. And here's the best part for us. Loom knitting on a peg style hand loom like we use counts exactly the same as needle knitting. No half credit, no adjustments. Our stitches matter. There's lots of opportunities for extra points and bonuses and fun things throughout the whole Pigskin Party experience. Every project you finish gets entered on the official points tally form. You'll need your participant ID, project name, start and end dates, your yardage, all that information can be read on the initial post on the Ravelry thread. That's how the referees keep up and track and verify points. Yes, there's even a player stats scoreboard to watch your progress all season long. And yes, I'm participating too. I'll be checking in right here on the channel throughout the season to show you what I'm making for the Pigskin Party. I'd also love to know if you sign up. If you do, leave me a comment with your Ravelry names so I can cheer you on all season long. Check the description box below for all the details and the official sign-up link. There's a lot of information on that Ravelry post. I am beyond excited to see loom knitters finally on the field of the Pigskin KAL. This is our moment, and I cannot wait to stitch along with you. Stay knotty, stay cozy, and may all your socks find their match. See you on the loom field. And until next time, happy loom knitting. Bye.